this is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Simran. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on all my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay, so welcome to today's video. Now for today, I have a super exciting video with you. Something that I've been personally wanting to try out also since a long time. And it is a try-on kurti haul from Meesho. Now I have seen some amazing hauls from so many YouTubers about this brand. And when I browsed through it, I saw what the hype is all about. There's tons of varieties of kurti sets and even jewelry. And especially at such affordable prices. So I couldn't resist myself, and especially after the last kurti haul which you guys loved so much, I was like, Meesho haul though we definitely have to do. You're also following all kinds of safety precautions so that your order reaches you safely. And a huge shout out to Meesho for collaborating with me on this video. I'm so excited to share everything with you. I'm really hoping that you guys get some amazing pics too. And guys, all the kurtis will be mentioned down below. On Meesho you don't have product links, but you just have product codes, so you can directly enter that code on the Meesho app and shop. And I will put the app link also down in the description box, so that if you shop from my link, then you will get flat 20% off or ₹100 off on your first purchase, whichever is higher. Especially loved about the brand is that it is India's #1 reselling app. So all these products you can even share with your friends, family, set your profit margin, and then Meesho will take care of everything else. I will be explaining more about this at the end, but for now I think let's get started. Okay, so let's jump on with the first product. Clearly my favorite, and which is why I chose to wear this in the haul itself. It is this chikankari kurti. Oh my god, I have been waiting to get my hands on a chikankari kurti since so long, but wherever I look, to be honest, they were a little bit overpriced. So on Meesho, instantly when I saw that it was this budget friendly, it costed me about ₹639, which is a crazy price for a chikankari kurti. And now that it has arrived, the quality is amazing. I opened this one to wear for this video, and I've checked all the work throughout the kurti. It is very intricate, very detailed, and very clean, like no issues with the quality whatsoever. The only thing is that the inner didn't come with it. I had that lying around, so just keep that in mind. And because I told you guys I can't get enough of chikankari kurtis, I also got one in pink. So let's open this up. I also want to share the packaging and how the products arrived, which is why I've kept it like this. Oh my god, I usually don't wear pinks, like I'm very picky when it comes to pink, but this is perfect. It's basically a baby pink, and again guys, you can clearly see the embroidery on it. It's super nice. It looks really classy and like a steal for the price you're paying. Okay, moving on to the next packet. I'm so excited. I wanted to do like an in-camera unboxing. So from this seller, I had two products. Oh my god guys, the reason I chose this is because I hadn't seen this design anywhere else, like on any other platform. It basically is a double layered kurti. So if you go to the bottom, then it appears that this is like a separate skirt, but it's actually just a single piece. So basically it's the convenience of wearing just one piece, but it's literally a full set. You don't have to think about the combo or the inconvenience of putting two items, and especially for like work from home, this is going to be so comfortable. Now talking about the fabric of this one, it's a rayon and it is pretty soft. Like I have no issues with it. Even the quality of the print is perfect. I think it has little mirror embellishments all over on these prints and has like a boat neck. Apart from that, another detail which literally transforms the entire piece is this one on the side. So this not only is like a really nice design touch with these latkans, but it will also help, you know, cinch your waist. Love this color. Again, perfect for the upcoming winter season. And this has 3/4 sleeves with again a really nice print on the cuffs as well. Moving on to like a similar style but in like a different color. Now this color I particularly chose for like the upcoming festive season. I thought alongside a grey, like a red is gonna be perfect. So this is how it looks, and the gold detailing on this one is much more brighter and much more prominent as compared to the blue one, so it really stands out. And again, this is my first time ordering, and I'm closely observing every single piece of the fabric for any quality quality issues because the price is so less. Like these ones are for rupees 800, so I'm very closely observing, but I'm not able to find any issues whatsoever with the quality. And even guys, the skirt flows down and there's detail even inside the skirt, so that's like a crazy plus point from my end. From the festive vibe, moving on to a very simple kurti. It was very inexpensive but literally in my style. Like this is how I love my simple kurtis to be. This is how it has come packaged. Super nice fabric. Now this is in like a pure cotton, a very simple print all over. And what I really like about this is the V kind of drop shaped neck with a white piping. So this is a very simple one, but this is perfect for those everyday use. And if you want, you can add that silver jewelry to just really amp this up. Guys, the material on this one is really soft. It is pure cotton as it said in the description box. And I think this is going to suit a lot of people. Personally, I love this color scheme in my kurtis. So yeah, I think this is a great purchase, and literally in about rupees 256. Just so that I can show you all the variety on this website, I've tried to like incorporate a page from each style. So this one, I guess you can clearly see, and it's making me so happy, guys. Genuinely, I was a little bit skeptical seeing the prices and seeing the collection. So this is what my next piece is like. Again, came packaged properly. Now this is again in the fabric rayon, and it has button enclosures all over through the neck. But my main reason for choosing this and why this style is so different is because this is basically open from the front. So from right here, from the waist, it basically opens up and it becomes like a flowy skirt. So you can even wear this with like your leggings or like really nice pants. You have again a tie-up cum belt right at the waist. And guys, I honestly think this is super cute. I think this is going to become my favorite from the haul. We still have a few more products, but I never thought I'll be so much into this vibe, but I guess I am. Okay, so this one is like a really simple option. Again, super nicely packaged. So this from the top seems like a very simple black kurti, a sleeveless one. But as you go down, again, you have that kind of a ruching effect with lace right here. And then on the bottom, you have these latkans, similar to the grey and red one. But I feel like while that might get a little over the top and is perfect mostly for parties or festive wear, this one is perfect for like an everyday use life. And the main thing is that you can build up so much upon this. I always say this, but simple black pieces with a little bit of twist are my favorite kind of outfits. So this is exactly that. And if I'm in the mood, then I'll just layer this up with silver or even maybe gold jewelry or like some other colored dupatta, and it's gonna go perfectly. And oh my god, we have the last piece. I'm honestly a little bit sad. I was having lots of fun shooting this, and I always love that first experience of ordering from a website, and when it turns out to be good, I am always happy. I'm not a pink person, but I don't know how I'm turning into that. So this one is a really pretty simple but colorful kurti. There's no chunky embellishments, no mirror, no foil print or anything. But again, tiny little details here and there, like this multicolored button detailing. Then around the border, you have this embroidered details, and once again down below you have that continuing colorful kind of block print. And then the same pattern is also here on the cuffs. Now this one was for around rupees 800, a little bit more pricier than the others, but the fabric of this one is way thicker, and I just think it has like a subtle yet classy tone to it. Like in case you're not that person who always wants their kurti to be flashy, just to like make a statement outfit, then this is the perfect option for you. Very toned down, but again a little bit quirky and very unique. And guys, that was it for this haul. Now to brief you guys a little bit more about Meesho. All the products, as I said, their codes will be mentioned down in the description box, and make sure that you download from my link, because you guys will get a 20% flat off or rupees 100 off or whichever is higher on your first purchase. And guys, as I had mentioned before, Meesho is India's #1 reselling app. It's helping so many women, so many housewives, and like even I was so intrigued because it's such a simple process if you want to start reselling on Meesho. Or obviously if you just want to shop like me, then you can also do that with this app. So I'm gonna take you guys through it. it. All you have to do is just browse through their catalog, find the piece that you like, or if you like any of the products I just showed, then you can also type those in the search box and you'll find this particular piece. Then you can obviously look at the details of the products, check it, see customer reviews and see actual pictures of the products, and then share it with your friends and family. Now you have the option of adding your profit margin if you want to, resell it and earn a profit. If not, if you just want to shop for yourself, then you can simply keep it at a zero and continue to place the order, fill in all the details, and the product and everything else will be taken care of by Meesho itself. So you don't have to worry about the shipping, logistics at all. And that's it, guys. It's that simple to either shop or resell from this app. And honestly, at the end of the day, my brutally honest review is that I'm very, very happy with the entire process. Most important are the pieces, is the quality of the product, which I guess you guys also saw was really, really nice. So it's a huge thumbs up from my end, and I hope you guys found some recommendations also. Let me know what was your favorite pick, or if you have already shopped from Meesho, or maybe if you want to see some more hauls of kurta sets, of jewelry. Drop down all of your comments, feedbacks, thoughts, ideas in the comments box below, and I shall see you guys very, very soon with another video. Bye.